Each time you're ready to go to sleep, it keeps becoming easier. Each night when you're ready to go to sleep, the moment you close your eyes, you will think about the peacefulness of letting the muscles in and around your eyes relax. You'll experience the calming flow of God's peace moving through your entire body, relaxing you. And without even noticing it, you will quickly drift into a normal, natural state of sleep. Throughout the night, you will be completely at ease, knowing that you will always be in the presence of God's love and protecting care. If you have any thoughts go through your mind after you close your eyes, they will be thoughts of love, thoughts of calmness, and the beauty of God's creation. You will realize that you are a very important part of God's creation.